Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play the basketball game on iMessage. Open your iMessage conversation to start playing games with your friends. Ensure that your device and your friends have iMessage enabled and installed GamePigeon app bundle. First, download the GamePigeon app from the App Store. To download, tap the plus button next to the message box, swipe down and tap on Store. Search and download the GamePigeon app bundle. If already installed, then open or find the GamePegion under the plus icon beside the message box. Tap on the More option and then select the GamePigeon app. You will see multiple games. Tap on the basketball game and hit the send button to send the game request to your friend. After accepting your game request conversation, the opponent will take the first turn to play the game. In this game, swipe your finger upwards on the screen at the desired angle and speed. Your friend will try to score as many points as possible by swiping the ball into the hoop. The game keeps track of your personal best score and your opponent's score. The game ends when you miss a shot. So this is how to play the basketball game on iMessage on iPhone. Now we will see how to win the basketball game on iMessage. Determine the optimal swipe for each shot, avoiding under and overshooting the ball. To increase the chances of making a shot, try aiming for the center of the hoop. Remember to keep practicing and practice your shooting skills to beat your opponent's score. Try to avoid missing any shots to keep a long streak going. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.